Hello everyone, great to have your company on Kalkine TV. I'm Rose Jacobs and you're watching Buzzing Trends. Today we'll look at 4 ASX listed blue chip shares, and during the afternoon trading session ASX 200 was down by a sharp 1.5%, while yesterday it was a very different story. The benchmark ASX 200 index was up over 0.88% by noon and reached 7,175.30 points, backed by the US market rally. Today the S&P ASX 200 traded lower by lunchtime in Sydney on Thursday, regaining some of the ground lost by a greater tumble when markets opened. Blue chips initially dropped sharply to wipe nearly 2% from the benchmark in the opening hours of trade, following a dramatic 4% decline for the S&P 500 in the US trading overnight. The decline in the ASX hit consumer-facing companies, with the likes of JB Hi-Fi down 6.5% and Wesfarmers shaving 6%. On this note, let's look at the performance of 4 ASX 50 shares. The shares in focus are QBE Insurance Group, Sonic Healthcare, REA Group and Xero. Let's begin with QBE Insurance Group. It is a dominant player in the Australian insurance industry. The insurance behemoth commands a market capitalisation of around $19 billion Australian. Its shares have traded in the 52-week range of $10 to $12.88. Yesterday, during the mid-market session, QBE Insurance share price was up 0.08%. The underwriting and reinsurance company did not publish any updates in the exchange yesterday. Its last announcement was on the 17th of May relating to a change in the director's interest and conversion of securities related to an employee incentive scheme. Both did not appear to have a major impact on QBE Insurance share price. At the beginning of the month, the company had announced latest performance update on the ASX, reflecting growth on a prior year number. However, in the last 5 days of trade, QBE Insurance share price has gained over 3%, alongside and on a year-to-date basis, the share has gained around 7%. QBE Insurance shares are currently trading at $12.56, down by 1.10%. Next up, we'll take a look at Sonic Healthcare. Its shares traded on a strong note yesterday on the 18th of May as they were up by 1.40%, outperforming the healthcare sector, which was in the red. While Sonic Healthcare did not make any new announcements on ASX except for its daily buyback notice, its shares moved higher. It has been on a gaining streak for the last 5 days, up about 3%. With a market capitalisation of about 17 billion shares, its shares trade in the 52-week price range of $32.12 to $46.95 per share. Sonic Healthcare shares are currently trading at $35.96, down by 0.90%. And next up is the real estate marketing company REA Group. By noon trade yesterday on the 18th of May, REA Group share was up and over 2.58%. The company seems to be reversing losses it made earlier this month, post-release of its third quarter financial results. While the share price dipped in the morning session yesterday, as it seemed to be a profit-booking move by investors, shares came back in the green. Meanwhile, its market capitalisation on ASX is about $14 billion and shares trade in the 52-week price range of $104.37 to $180.67 each. REA Group shares are currently trading at $109.04, down by 2.99%. Lastly, covered from the information technology sector is Xero, the cloud-based accounting software provider. Xero holds a market capitalisation of $12.92 billion and its share price is quoted in the range of $75.80 to $156.65 a share. Lacking any new announcements, Xero's share price gained 0.31% yesterday, the 18th of May. Its latest announcement was related to the cessation of trade for its restricted stock units. Given this fact, the only push for those gains seems to be the gains in the overall tech sector. Meanwhile, the share price has in the last 5 days of trade gained over 6.3%, reversing part of the losses made in the recent past. Xero stocks are currently trading at $85.23, down by 3.61%. Now, to sum it up, these blue chip stocks are considered to be the safest bet on ASX, but these stocks are facing the brunt of sharp decline in the US market after recording notable gains yesterday, 18th of May. Now, with the hike in interest rates and rising inflation, it'll be interesting to see how these ASX listed blue chip stock fare in the future. And that's all for now. We'll be back with our Buzzing Trends show to share the latest market insights with you. Till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy related hot trends.